Okay, Jason, I figured out that you had the high range board, so I have programmed it like that. I noticed the label was missing off of the CPU chip too. I'll put one of those back on there. But there's your top frequency, and that's what it's reading on the display if it's not washed out. I'm at the top frequency now, and I just roll back over on the bottom. You can see there's no delay. And I had forgotten that I corrected the jump spacing. It is, I did change it back to 10 down, 10 up, so your jump switch will still be correct. Okay, matter of fact, let me show you that now. Going 10 at a time. Okay, now going down 10 at a time. Okay, and here's your squilt scan. Let's see, is that the right? Yeah. Okay, that cable came unplugged. Hang on a second, let me hook that back up. Okay, that plug wasn't in all the way. That's squilt scan going up. And it was that cable right there. There's your display. Hopefully that's not washing out. When the squelch opens, it does that. Okay. That's up. Let me switch it to down. Okay. Oh, and because the CSS switch channel selector switch is also connected into this connector, if the CSS switch is on, then your scan up, scan down will not work. Okay, just remember that. Anyway, it's all cleared up. But like I said before, you have a lifetime warranty on this board. If you run into any more problems, contact me, get an RA number, and we will take care of it for you. Bottom frequency, top frequency. Okay? All right, Jason. I'm going to get her boxed up and ship back to you, buddy.